So today we will learn block form. B-L-O-C-K form. F-O-R-M. Block form. Any number. You can give me as big as number. We can draw. And you know what? We can even add or subtract from this block form. Okay. So as we were doing 7. How can I write 7 in block form? I write small 7 squares. Okay. And generally what I do, I try to have 5 squares together, but then I have done 4. Okay. So this will be, these are my 7 small blocks, not the big ones, small squares.
I have a trick for
yes,
7. If you're doing blocks for 7,
yeah.
I use 3 plus 7. So I drew 3 blocks and then I had 7. I had 4 more blocks.
Exactly. So the 3 plus 4 will become 7, isn't it? So if I asked you to draw 9, how many blocks should I draw?
Nine blocks. So
very good. So can I draw like this? 3, 4, 5. And how many more should I draw?
4.
Very good. Excellent. Okay. Okay. One more trick and then we will go to the 2-digit number. And if I ask you to draw 4, how many will draw?
3 plus 3 plus 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9.
Very good. It is adding of doubles 3 times, isn't it? We are adding one number 3 times.
Because 3 plus 3 equals 6 and 6 plus 3 equals 9.
Yes. This is almost like 3 plus 3 plus 3. This is what you told me. Okay. We can even write it as 3. How many times 3 has come?
3 times.
3 has come how many times? How many times 3 is there? 3 times. Isn't it? We have a 3 times. This is yeah. Okay. Chalo, we'll do block form first and then we will come back to us. Okay. Okay. So how can I write 4? How many blocks are required?
4.
Very good. Okay. Now if I ask you to tell me how many blocks will come for 0. How many blocks will come for 0?
For 0, none.
Exactly. Very good. Very good. So when I write a number like 7, 9, 4, what are they? They are single digit number, isn't it? And what do we write when we write a single digit number? Don't we write only once at it? Correct?
Yeah.
So that is why it is a single digit number. As soon as it becomes a double digit number, like from 100 till 99, what do we write? We write 110 and 1 ones, isn't it? In 10, how many tens are there? 110 is there. Yeah, this is equivalent to what you have done in school in expanded form. How can I write 99 in your expanded form? Can I write as 90 plus 9? Can I write this? Yeah. Can I write 10 as 10 plus 0? Can I write this? This is expanded form, isn't it? If I have to write 87, how can I write? Can I not write 80 plus 7?
Yes, that is.
Yeah.
That is right because you have.
That is, yeah.
Because you have.
So, yeah, wonderful. So in 10, how many tens are there? 110 is there. In 90, how many tens are there, beta? How many tens are there? 9, 10. Very good. And in 80?
8.
Wonderful. Okay, now 2-digit number. Okay, you know how tens are done? Tens and ones. Okay, So how do we draw tens? We draw this very thin line. Okay. This is, yeah, this is known as tens. What is this is known as tens? Okay. So for 65, what will I do? I will draw this 6 thin rectangles, we can say. Okay, 3 plus 3.
3 plus 3
is 6, isn't it? 6 tens. And how many ones should I draw to have 65?
5.
Very good. Okay.
Small cubes, like you said.
Yes, small ice cubes. So this entire number is equal to 65, which is equals to 60 plus 5, isn't it? Okay. Yeah. So if I ask you, you can write this in your notebook, and if I ask you to draw the same number for 99, will you be able to do that?
Let me write this.
Yes, please do. Okay, so if I ask you to do it for 99, will you be able to do for 99?
Let me get a new page. Actually,
Yes.
yeah. So, can you tell me?
Yeah. How do we, here we have, how many tens should be there and how many nines or ones should be there?
It's the same thing. 90 plus 9.
Very good. So in 90, how many tens are there?
In 90, there is 9.
Very good. So how many of these types of rectangles are we supposed to draw?
9.
Very good. Can you please draw 9 tens? Correct? Isn't it funny that we are drawing 9 tens?
9 tens. It's almost up to 100, which 100
Exactly. 100 minus 1 is 99, isn't it?
100 is like an expanded form. There's only 110 and 100.
100. Yeah.
Hundreds, and then there's no zeros, so there's no tens, there's no ones.
Exactly. Wonderful. So after drawing 9 tens, how many ones should I draw?
Yeah. You should draw 9 ones.
Very good. So can I write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
9. Oh, I told you 3 plus 3 plus 3 equals 9.
Exactly. That's why I have referred your answer, your suggestion. Okay, so once we are done, let me know. We will go back to our book and we will try to solve few answers. Yeah.
Yeah. Can I write the
Yes,
number
please do
sentence?
Yes. Okay. Before we go to the book, if I have to draw only 10, how can I draw 10? How many tens are there in 10?
1.
Very good. Is there any one out here? Is there any one?
So
There are no ones, correct? Is there any one in 10?
There is 1.
There is no 1. 0, 1 is 0. We do not, you told me here, correct? If I have 0, I do not draw anything, isn't it?
Yeah, you don't know.
Yeah. So for 10, I will be having only one long rectangle.
Yes.
Yeah.
You don't have like 90 or 6.
Yeah.
Is there can I please go to the bathroom for a second?
Yes, please do. Yes, please do. So how do we write 3-digit number? How do we write? When we were doing addition, remember we used to write H, T and O, Correct? If I have written 793, what is the expanded form? What can be the expanded form? This is 793. So can I write 700 plus 90 plus 3, isn't it? This is the expanded form. Yeah. So how many tens are there in 90? How many tens are there in 90?
3 is and yeah,
How many tens are there in 90?
there are 9 tens.
Very good. And how many threes are there? Ones are there in 3? How many ones?
There are 3. There are 3
Ones. 3 ones. And can you guess how many hundreds are there in 700? How many hundreds are? Very good. 7 hundreds are there. Correct? Huh?
Is this called the unit form?
This is called place value. This is called place value. Yeah.
But my teacher told me that if you write tens, ones, and hundreds, that's called a unit form.
Okay. It can be called. Okay. Okay. So how do we draw 100?
Like
There's one big square is for 100. It has to be a big square.
H.
Yeah, H inside it, because we have small square for ones, isn't it? Somebody will get confused then.
Our video is like a square. You put an H inside.
Yes. So this is 100. We have to draw like 700. So 700 blocks we have to draw. Correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and one big fat one, 7. How many hundreds now we have? 7 hundreds, isn't it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yes? Is it confusing?
No, it's not.
Okay, cool. And how many tens should I draw? How many tens should I draw?
Tens you should draw.
In 793, how many tens should I draw?
For tens, 9. 9.
Very good. 9 tens I should draw. Excellent.
So it's 90 because it has 9 tens.
Exactly. Okay.
Because I basically learned it in school.
Yes. And how many ones should I draw? How many ones should I draw?
3.
Very good. So these are the smaller ones, isn't it?
Yes, they're super small.
So if you see a block structure like this, will you be able to answer us that which number it is?
What?
If I do not give you this number, I am not telling you this number is there. Okay, suppose I get 2 more ones. So by looking at the picture, can you tell me what is the number? Can you count the 100 blocks, 10 blocks, and 1 blocks and tell me what is the number?
7. 9. 795.
Very good. Excellent. So now you know how to expand the number, how to draw the block out of it, and how to read a number from block. Correct? Okay, let's go to this book and let's try to find some questions for us. Well done.